What's up? Nandito naman kami sa Palanas Resort. Baliligo kami dito. Shout out Tampolic Fishing, my friend in America. What's up, guys? Nandito kami sa Palanas Falls. First time namin makarating dito. Shout out everyone. Hey guys, so maliligo kami dito. What's up everyone, my friends? Shout out everyone. First time namin makarating dito, guys. Kaya maliligo muna kami ngayong umaga kasi wala pa kami ligo. Tampolic Fishing, Rose Mobile, shout out. How are you everyone, my friend? At guys, kami sa mini falls. Shout out everyone. Okay, what's up guys? So, dito madulas. Ako yung aakyat. Yeah. Shout out everybody. Hey guys. Shout out to all my viewers, other countries. Everyone. Sa hello. This part, guys. Thank you so much. Tampolic Fishing, shout out everyone. Hello guys, thank you so much for coming my YouTube channel and my Facebook. Thank you so much everyone, for all my viewers, for my foreign friends. Thank you so much for your support. Shout out, welcome to my vlogs. I'm here in Palanas Falls here in Davao de Oro, guys. Shout out everyone. Thank you so much for coming. Everybody. So, ang mga kaibigan ko guys, nauna na doon sa itaas. Naglalakad sila guys. So, try natin maglakad-lakad dito, mag-walk sa forest. Shout out everybody. Rose Mobile, B-Boy TV, Marky Vlog, Ma'am Eileen, shout out. Thank you so much everybody. May signal pala dito, no? Oh. Shout out. Oh? Oh. May? Maganda?
Hindi sa aso, ano kayo? Kung hawan. Lindot pa.
Alcoholic fishing. Come here in the Philippines. You can fishing here. You see the poles there. I'm walking, my friend. Hello, everybody. Wow, nice. Cool. Nice falls. Kanindot, sarap maligo.
Lamig. Lamig no? Oo. Babo na yun dyan. Magtaligo, guys. Ha? Dito ka doon. Ba? Oo. Kaya, okay, bandit ang mga. Bandit? Oo. Dito ka lang snack. Ano doon? May, sandwich, bili ka. May kanin doon, bili ka. Ano yung 500 yan? Oo. Para pambahin natin sa mga labas, mabarihan. Anong lagay? Oh. Bili ako isang call.
Bili ka dun.
Saka nainom. Drinks. Oh.
Shout out Alcoholic Fishing, my friend. Thank you so much, everyone, my foreign friend. Hello, everybody, B-boy. Sagado Vlogs. Ligo po tayo, Sagado Vlogs. Shout out. Thank you so much, everyone. Sarap maligo, guys. Sarap maligo sa falls. Shout out everybody. Hey, come on. Ang lamig ng tubig, ang sarap. Iba talaga pag galing bundok, guys. Ang sarap maligo dito. Hello, all the people around the world. Shout out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Everybody. Kakatapos na namin maligo. Shout out everyone. Kami babalik na sa aming truck. Nag-picnic na rin kami dito. Coke at chichirya lang ang aming picnic. Wala kaming budget. Sakto lang yung aming budget, guys. Shout out everybody. Was marami rin pumupunta dito, guys. Maraming dumadaan dito. So ayan, sa ating pangkalong, guys. What's up everyone?